Welcome to the demo of the 24D Search for, Create, and View Inspections in the Work Execution Work Area using a new user experience in Oracle Fusion Cloud Manufacturing. You can now create or view inspection results for a work order operation from the Work Execution Work Area using the Redwood user experience. You can also search and view inspection results. It provides a modern and responsive user interface. Your inspection result creation becomes more efficient and faster from the Work Execution Work Area. This demo shows you how search for, create, and view inspections in the Work Execution Work Area using a new user experience enhances your business. We will see two demo scenarios. In the first demo, production operator creates inspection results for work order operation. In the second demo, we will see how production supervisor reviews inspection results for a work order operation. In this demo, we will see how a production operator creates inspection results for work order operation. Log into the application as a production operator. Click on Supply Chain Execution. Click Work Execution. The Work Execution Overview page is displayed. Click on the panel drawer on the right. Click Create Inspections. Redwood page for creating new inspection is displayed. Enter work order, operation, inspection plan etc. as required. The inspection plan is displayed for result entry. Click on Apply Results to enter inspection results for the sample. Enter the required inspection result values. Click Save once the inspection result entry is complete. A message is displayed on inspection result entry. Once the inspection result entry is complete, you can navigate back to the Work Execution Work Area by pressing the Back button. This completes the demo on how production operator creates inspection results for work order operation. Next, we will see how production supervisor reviews inspection results for a work order operation. Log into the application as a production supervisor. Click on Supply Chain Execution. Click on Work Execution. The Work Execution Overview page is displayed. Click on the panel drawer on the right. Click Inspections. The Redwood page to search and view inspections is displayed. Search by the work order number or by any other search attribute. You can click on Filters to filter by search criteria like inspection date, inspection type, inspection disposition, item, lot, serial etc. The search result is displayed. Click on the inspection hyperlink to view the inspection result. The inspection results are displayed. Click on More Information to view details about the inspection. The inspection details like organization, work order, operation sequence etc. are displayed. You can navigate to the Work Execution Overview page by clicking the Back button. This completes the demo on how production supervisor reviews inspection results for a work order operation. This also completes the demo for the feature Search for, Create, and View Inspections in the Work Execution Work Area using a new user experience.